Good morning. How are we this morning? Well, today I'm actually going to cook chicken tom kha. So I suppose I better get on Right, with here it are and the cook it. ingredients for the chicken tom kha. You have mushrooms, coconut milk, fish sauce, the tom kha paste, sugar at the back, lemongrass, chicken, lemon and lime leaves, and coriander. Right, so first you get the lemongrass and cut them. Blimey, I think I'm going to have to invest in a new knife at this rate. Then you break them. Right, then you get the coconut milk and you put it in to right, so first you add about half of the coconut milk and then you get the sauce and you add that. Then you get the lemongrass and you add that. Then you get your couple of lime leaves and you add them, stirring it all the time. Then you get the chicken and you add the chicken. Then you add some water to it. And then you just leave it and let it cook. After it's cooked for a bit and the chicken is starting to cook very nicely, you then take the mushrooms and you put them in. So you put the mushrooms in like that, and then you add a little bit more water, not a lot, just a little bit more water, and then you leave that. So after it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, you then taste it just a little bit. Now the paste has all the ingredients in, but that needs a little bit of fish sauce in. So just a couple of drops. That'll do. Fish sauce. And then it'll need a squeeze of lemon. Just one squeeze of lemon like that. And just stir it again. And then have another taste. Now that's better. That's much better. So now you just leave it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Just leave it to cook. So after it's been cooking for 5 to 10 minutes and you look at it like that, it's just about ready. Then you add the coriander, and as soon as you add the coriander, you turn it off and it is finished. That is it, done. Like I say, it's now cooked, so now it comes to the eating. Now the thing is, you can eat this with rice, you can have it on its own. You can have it as a starter before your main course. You know, you can have it any way you want. You can even eat it with Sammy, can't I? I can even eat it with you, because you love it, don't you? But like I say, it is absolutely easy to make, really simple, but absolutely gorgeous. You know, it tastes really, really nice. Sammy, doesn't it? If you want some, you can have some today. And yes, I'll let you have some. So, like I say, as I said before, if you've got any recipes you want us to cook, just put it in the comments and we'll try and oblige. And thank you very much, and see you again next week. I will eat this now.